Oh, let's see. I guess I would probably do what I did. What I did was I started a Facebook page and I started posting some really good content there. I started my weekly newsletter. I started letting everyone know what I was doing. I started inviting people that I didn't know over and showing them products and talking about opportunity and sharing and giving samples and everywhere you go, just making relationships. It doesn't have to be about the business. I call it forward. You want to make friends and talk to them about their family, about their occupation, about their recreational habits, and about their dreams. And when you have those kind of conversations, you can really get deep into what somebody wants, and your business will naturally occur in that conversation at some point.